Welcome to the enchanting world of twilight, where the soft glow of fireflies illuminates the night. These remarkable insects, also known as lightning bugs, captivate us with their magical ability to produce light through a process known as bioluminescence. This natural wonder is not just a beautiful spectacle, but also a fascinating adaptation with multiple purposes. The bioluminescence of fireflies is a result of a chemical reaction that takes place in specialized light-emitting organs located in their abdomen. The key components of this reaction are a light-emitting molecule called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, oxygen, and adenosine triphosphate, ATP. When these components combine, they produce light with remarkable efficiency, generating very little heat in the process. This cold light can be green, yellow, or even pale red, depending on the species. One of the primary functions of bioluminescence in fireflies is communication, especially for mating purposes. Each species of firefly has its own unique light pattern, which males use to attract females. Males fly through the night air, flashing their specific code, while females, perched on vegetation, respond with their own signals if they are interested. This intricate light show is a form of species-specific courtship that ensures successful reproduction. Beyond mating, bioluminescence serves other important roles. Some firefly larvae, known as glowworms, also produce light to deter predators by signaling that they are unpalatable or toxic. This form of defense, known as aposematism, helps protect them from being eaten. Additionally, some adult fireflies use their light to attract prey. For example, females of the genus Photuris mimic the light patterns of other firefly species to lure in males, which they then capture and consume. Fireflies are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, meadows, marshes, and even gardens. They prefer warm, humid environments and are most active during the summer months. These insects are nocturnal, emerging at dusk to begin their captivating light displays. Their presence is often an indicator of a healthy ecosystem, as they rely on clean water and abundant vegetation for their survival. The life cycle of a firefly is equally fascinating. It begins as an egg, which hatches into a larva. The larval stage can last up to 2 years, during which the larvae live in soil or leaf litter, feeding on small invertebrates such as snails and worms. After several molts, the larvae pupate and eventually emerge as adults. The adult stage is relatively short, lasting only a few weeks, during which the primary focus is on mating and reproduction. Despite their enchanting presence, fireflies face several threats, including habitat loss, light pollution, and pesticide use. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these delicate insects and their habitats. By preserving natural environments, reducing artificial lighting, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help ensure that future generations continue to enjoy the magical glow of fireflies. Fireflies have long captured the human imagination, inspiring countless myths, legends, and works of art. Their bioluminescence has also been the subject of scientific research, leading to advancements in fields such as biotechnology and medicine. For example, the luciferase enzyme has been used as a marker in genetic research, helping scientists study gene expression and disease processes. In the vast and diverse world of insects, the firefly stands out as a true marvel of nature. Its bioluminescence, intricate behaviors, and ecological significance make it one of the most fascinating and beloved creatures of the night. This is the world of the firefly, a luminous wonder and a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world.